And we are finally here! Woo! Hey guys, we're in Anguib Beach here in Cagayan. To get here, you need to go to Tugagarao, and then from Tugagarao, you need to get a van to Santa Ana, and then rent a bangka, like that, to here. Very beautiful. Hello. The sun has set, and I'm on the beach in Anguib Beach Club here in Santa Ana, Cagayan, Boracay of the North. Look, isn't it beautiful? Hey guys, good morning. Day 3 here in Cagayan, and I want you to see the sunrise. The sunrise is there. I think it's going up now, but we can't see it from the horizon. We can see it from the mountain back there. Alright, I'll just set up my camera so that we'll be all prepared, and I want to go swimming after this. See you. Now that's the other side of the beach. From there, all the way to here, and then here, and then there. And then that's Palaui. Now to get here, you need to be in Tuguegarao City. You can fly via Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines. They have direct flights from Manila, and Philippine Airlines has direct flights from Clark. And then you have to take a van that's for around 3 to 4 hours going to San Vicente, and then you take a boat. You rent a boat. That boat. And that boat would take you to Palaui, so you can choose your itinerary. Either stay one night here in Anguib and the other night in Palaui, or the other way around. And I'll put in the rates and some details in the description box below, so you just check it out. I'll also give you the phone number of the homestay where we stayed. Very laid back, and they have really good lobsters and crabs and shrimps. It's very appetizing. I felt hungry now. And you'll have a whole day tour in Palaui Island. Visit Cape Enganio. You'll spend around 2 to 3 hours there, depending on how you spend time taking pictures. And after there are some waterfalls if you want to check it out, but this is the season, it's dried up. And after Palaui Island, they take you here to Anguib. So that's our itinerary. After that, we'll be heading back to Tagagaraw later. So I'll see you around. Bye everyone!